Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk windscreen wipers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Lift the wiper blade arm up. To remove the blade, put pressure on the stud and simultaneously slide the wiper to the outside. To avoid any damage, put the arm delicately on the windscreen. Before you do this, place a paper towel to protect the glass. Take the new blade and install the adapter which corresponds to your model. To put the new one in place, start in the same way as you finish removing it, slide it along the holding. You can hear a click when the stud slots into place. Place the arm gently back onto the windscreen.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Lift the wiper blade arm up. Incline the blade to 45 degrees. With your thumbs, apply pressure to unclip the rubber wiper. Take the new blade. To put the new one in place, clip the blade into its housing. Put the blade onto the windscreen. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.